You're looking for laser light, music through a robot, showing the galaxy for a kid's room, and more. This robot may be something that you are looking for, and we're going to show you what it's about. From the company ZZENRYSAM is a robot. Check online for further details about the products they make. We're going to show you what comes in the box and how it's displayed. Removing the robot out of the box, everything's stored in a plastic bag. Remote control with two optional AAA batteries. Place in and close up. USB-A to C cable, an instruction guide, and your robot. Check online for further details about the coloring, and please remove any protective film off of the robot. On the robot, we have color-coded plugs, 6 of them, the remote control sensor, the speaker area, the lights, and so forth. We have on the side of the robot the adjustable lens going up and down. On the back of the robot is where we plug in our USB-C cable. Cable's plugged into a 5-volt brick or AC plug. Plug in for the first time.
Mobile phone wireless connection.
And the robot talks to you, asking for wireless connection. Opening up the Bluetooth and connecting the robot via Bluetooth. It connects and successful. Opening up your music and playing. Adjust the volume.
CX-30 all-wheel drive, only $209 a month, or buy with 0% APR financing for 36 months. Start.
And you're able to listen to all your music. We're going to play my video. We're able to listen to music, watch a video through the unit. Showing the robot with the large display and the little display of lights on the table and addressing to the wall so you can see what it's showing to you via the remote control. We're able to adjust the height to a certain height, and you have a galaxy of different things. This is the large white eye, and this is the little laser lights. Turning the unit on.
Mobile phone wireless connection. Connection successful.
By the robot, we're going to place the microphone by the speaker and press the 5D joystick.
Music.
Increase the volume. Turn on and off the stars. And turn on and off the galaxy, which you see rotating. We have red, green, blue, and white by the 5D joystick around. Red, green, blue, white. We have on the bottom 9 buttons, different types of modes and controls, like speed, brightness, and more. We're going to show you the different mode of the first one.
Mobile phone wireless connection. Connection successful.
Mode number 2. You can see the difference in the galaxies and the stars. And mode number 3. Those are the 3 different types of scenes of the unit. We can increase and decrease the brightness levels and change the way the unit goes in the colors and so forth. And slow down the speed and increase the speed. And then we have a timer that we can set up. It'll beep and tell you the time of the unit, which one it's on. And then, of course, we have the off. And when turned back on, it talks to you, tells you it's connecting to your smartphone via Bluetooth. There's a lot this robot can do. It runs off of a 5-volt cord. It's made of gold. It's got adjustable light to a certain degree. It has all the buttons on the remote control on the front of the unit, so everything I showed you is right over here. And you have a nice stand of the robot. Great for parties, great for places, laser light, kids' room, acts as a night light, and a music player, and more. The hands are adjustable. You can place them any way. This is the rotation to the lens, as you can see, moving up and down. And it has a antenna on the side, your speaker, and the 6 buttons. Everything that's on here is on here. You have a nice plastic base that the robot stands on. There are no moving parts but the lens inside the robot. I hope you enjoy your robot. This is what you are looking for in your entertainment needs.